Good morning everyone. I am Sudipta Datta. Today I am present my topic on critical analysis of regulatory mechanism in higher and teacher education. So let me start my presentation. First of all, we need to understand what regulatory mechanism mean. It simply means the system that controls and manages education. In higher and teacher education, these rules help to maintain quality. If there is no proper control, many institutions may not maintain standards. Next, meaning of regulatory mechanism. Regulatory mechanisms are rules and policies made by the government. These rules guide how colleges and universities should function. They check things like syllabus, teacher qualifications, infrastructure, and admission process. The main aim is to maintain quality and fairness in education. Next, regulatory bodies in higher education. In India, higher education is controlled by some important bodies like UGC. UGC gives recognition and financial support to universities. AICTE looks after technical and professional courses. NAC checks the quality of institutions and gives grades. Through these bodies, the government tries to maintain standard education. Next, regulatory body in teacher education. When you talk about teacher education, NCTE plays a major role. It gives approval to B.Ed and D.Ed colleges. It also decides the minimum qualification required to become a teacher. Because of NCTE, teacher training programs follow certain standards. Next, importance. Regulatory mechanisms are very important. They help to maintain the same standard in different institutions. They protect students from low quality or fake colleges. They also ensure the future teachers like us are properly trained or not. Next, positive aspects. There are many positive sides of regulation. Colleges try to improve their facilities and teaching methods. It also encourages improvement in curriculum and research work. Next, problem or limitation. Along with positive sides, there are some problems too. Sometimes there are too many rules or too much paperwork. Different regulatory bodies create confusion. Approval and recognition process can be slow. Sometimes real teaching quality is not properly checked. Next, recent reforms. According to National Education Policy or NEP 2020, some changes are suggested. It proposes one single regulator to reduce confusion. It also talks about giving more autonomy to institutions. Teacher education will be integrated into universities to improve quality. Next, conclusion. So, to conclude my presentation, regulatory mechanisms are necessary for maintaining quality in higher and teacher education. But the system should be more simple, transparent, and effective. If proper balance is maintained between control and freedom, our education system will become stronger. Thank you.